Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to express the given quantity as a single logarithm, the natural log of 10 plus 2 times the natural log of 5. So writing this down here, what we're not going to have to do is calculate anything, we just have to combine these together. So the first thing is when you have a constant on the outside of a log, you can bring it to the inside as an exponent. So keeping the natural log of 10 the same, 2 times the natural log of 5 is equal to the natural log of 5 to the 2 power, right? 5 squared. Therefore, this is equal to natural log of 10 plus the natural log of 25. And then when you're adding two logs with the same base, they are equal to the singular log of their product. So 10 times 25. Therefore, the natural log of 10 plus 2 times the natural log of 5 is equal to the natural log of 10 times 25, or the natural log of 250.